In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refund in League of Legends. If you recently purchased a champion or a skin and changed your mind, the client has a built-in way to request a refund in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to expect so you can feel confident before you hit that confirm button. Start by opening your League of Legends client on your computer and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. On the main screen, look toward the top right corner and click the store icon. It looks like a stack of coins and opens the place where you normally browse champions, skins, and other content. Once you're in the store, look again to the top right and select Account Settings. This is where your personal purchase options live. In the menu on the left, click Purchase History. This page shows a list of items you've recently bought, including champions, skins, and other content, along with the date and the currency used. Find the item you want to reverse and look for the option to refund next to it. Click Refund, review the details on the confirmation prompt, and then confirm. That's the entire process. If the button is available, the client will process the refund automatically, and the currency you used, whether it was Blue Essence or RP, will be returned to your balance. The refunded item will be removed from your collection once the request goes through. A few helpful notes to keep everything smooth. Refunds are generally limited to eligible purchases and recent transactions, and some items may not be refundable. For example, certain promotional content, bundles, or items you've significantly used might not show the refund option. If you don't see the refund button for a specific purchase in your history, that usually means it isn't eligible under the current policy. It's also a good idea to double-check which account you're on and which region you're using, especially if you play on multiple servers. The purchase history only reflects the account and region you're currently logged into. After confirming a refund, give the client a moment to update. You might need to refresh the store or restart the client if the balance doesn't appear right away. And that's it. Open the store, go to Account Settings, click Purchase History, and use the refund option next to your item. With these steps, you can quickly undo a recent champion or skin purchase and get your currency back with minimal hassle.